This place smells amazing. Nothing beats the smell of fresh coffee.
I know, right? So I have to ask, are you a coffee or a tea person?
Oh, definitely coffee. It's the only thing that gets me out of bed in the morning. Without it, I can't even think straight.
I'm more of a tea person. A good cup of tea helps me slow down and take things easy. It's like hitting the pause button on a busy day.
If I tried to swap my morning coffee for tea, I'd be sleepwalking till lunchtime. Coffee just gives me that kick I need to hit the day.
Makes sense, especially if you're up early. For me, tea is like a warm hug. When I feel stressed out, I just put the kettle on and somehow my worries disappears.
That's a nice way to say it. A warm hug. I feel the same about coffee. Otherwise, I'd be nodding off before dinner.
I hear you, but for me, too much coffee makes me as jumpy as a cat on a hot tin roof. If I'm tired in the afternoon, I just brew a cup of mint tea and take five. That way, I don't end up counting sheep all night.
Good idea. Maybe I should try that instead of my third cup of coffee.
Yeah, your hands might stop shaking then.
True. Do you remember your first time drinking tea? My first coffee was at a sleepover when I was in junior high.
Oh, my first tea was with my grandma. She made it strong, added milk and sugar, and said it was her special recipe. I felt so grown up, sitting there sipping from her fancy cup. Such a sweet memory.
That's lovely. Mine was the total opposite. My first coffee was black as night, no sugar, no milk. I almost spat it out, but everyone else seemed to love it, so I kept giving it a shot.
Brave choice. I still can't drink black coffee unless I'm trying to stay awake during a boring meeting. Usually I'll take my tea anyway.
Yeah, coffee or tea. As long as it comes with good company, I'm happy.